Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. P channel. In this video of Can You DeX, I will show you how I edit videos on my DeX station, and more specifically I will demonstrate the app which is called PowerDirector. It's paid app, but I managed to buy this app while it was on sale on Google Play Store for 10 pence. So it was a sale for about 4 days. I managed to find it and buy it, and in this video will show you how I edited one of my previous videos, and basically I'll show you the functionality of this Android app on the DeX station. So one of my previous videos that I done, I think it was about Evernote. Yes, I've done a video about Evernote. So in this video, I will use a PowerDirector video editing app, and I will edit the previous video. So it's a bit like Inception, you go back and forward, but I hope you understand. So as you can see, PowerDirector runs in a window mode, but using a DeX hub, or actually right now it's called Desktop Hub, which is this app, and the paid features. I can click Windows and up, and it goes into full screen mode. So let's create a new project, and I'm gonna write this one is Evernote. So it gives me 16 by 9 or 9 by 16. I want a 16 by 9 because it's gonna be widescreen video. So it gives me straight away, I can video capture, color board straight from a Google Drive. I can connect to a Google Drive and pull the videos from there. That's my camera, videos, etc. All the folders where on my phone there is a video. So what I like to do before I start everything is insert my intro, and I'll tell you why in a second. So my intro is in. Let's go back and now record master, and that's Evernote video. So click Evernote video. So it's in. Go back, go back, go back. So right now, if I press play, a bit too loud. Let's move it down a bit. That's my intro, that's fine. So, and this is Evernote. So what I'm looking for, every video that I do, I cover the window with my hand, camera with my hand. That means when I need to do a cut. So as you can see, don't go anywhere, and that's my hand. So I need to go a bit back, and somewhere by here, I'll leave it. And there is an option, if I click on the line on this video, on the timeline, as you can see, it's got the green bold line around it and one dot here and one at the end of the video. I click this and it's sliced in two. So keep playing where I'm getting ready to start recording. Yes, you saw I covered the hand with the camera, so that means that's when I need to do a cut and delete this one. So I cut it again, selected this part of the video, I click delete. And now why insert the intro in the beginning? What it does, if I go all the way to the back, which is somewhere by here, it takes forever to click and drag that intro all the way to the front to insert just literally here. So it's easier just to click and drag and that's it. That's more easier. So let's see how it looks like. So let's play.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Mr. P channel. In this video, we're going to compare the Evernote Android app running on Samsung DeX station or using the website of evernote.com on a Samsung DeX station. So don't go anywhere.
As you can see, this goes into my intro and goes back to a video. So all this was shot or recorded in one take, so I don't need to record the intro, then stop the recording, then start recording again to record the rest of the video. Obviously this way is I don't know, I just prefer this way. It's much faster. I'm a person that I like to record as many videos as I possibly can instead of spending more time to editing them. So that's my videos is a bit of quick and dirty, and just quickly done the video and record it and upload it. So two squares by here, that is where I can add what is called, oh my god, what's this called, transformation or something is called, right? So I can't use the scroll to go from side to side, so I need to click and drag left and right. So let's say Blizzard goes into this one, and this one will get evaporate. So let's see how it looks like. Click on the line, drag to the beginning. Obviously by here, if I click on this and I say on the like a clock icon, it says how long you want this transition to happen. I'm gonna say I want a second, and I want all the transitions have 1 second duration. So press play. Here we are. So that was one transition, and it's about to be another one, which is this. Okay, that will do. Obviously, as you can see on the on the left hand side, there is a main line, there is a second line, which is like an overlap, and there is a music can happen. So you can add music. Let's say I want by here to add overlap, which is gonna be a title. So title, let's say, I don't know, let's say I wanted this, but if I click the play button, it gives me a playback, which it says add your text here. Not really. So move this camera a bit around. So, okay, goes up and goes down. That will do. So I'm just gonna add to show you what it looks like, but I probably won't leave this inside the video. So as you can see, it's dropped after that where I selected the timeline. So go back, move the camera back where it was, click on this, and that's the text at the moment inside this overlap, like text overlay. I click on the pencil and text design, duplicate or tutorial. So I click text design, and it gives me options to change the color, the font, the orientation, where it's gonna go, where it's gonna do. And if I click on the text while I'm in the text edit, I can delete all this. I'm gonna write Evernote, for example, and click OK, and let's move this one somewhere here. So let's see how it's gonna look like right now. So you can see the text went up, it stayed there for a couple of seconds and went down. But let's say duplicating, like I can do a shadows, I can make the text that have shadows, the color of the text, and etc. There's lots of things to do. And obviously if you don't like what you did, there is a back button on the bottom, on the top right. But I'm just gonna select this text, just click once on here, and icon trash can disappears. Also, you can add more like a stickers, images. If you have a photo, you can add a photo, video titles. You can add video inside a video, which is called PIP, picture in picture, or do effects. And effects is like, for example, water effect. Let's add water effect. So the first video, as you can see up to here, the first video will have water effect, which is basically this. It's just like you're looking straight to the sea. It's a bit not for this video, but I hope you know what I mean. So, and it's only available, this effect, only on that part of the video that is basically selected. So the first one I've done a cut in the beginning of the video, so that's where it is. So take this effect off. And under settings, you have audio mixer. So the main video or the main front video, how loud you want this. If you have a background music, I sometimes leave this at 5 or even 10 or 5. Leave it is. And if you have a two picture-in-picture videos. But if you added the background music, I leave that like at 10 or 5 as well, because it's loud enough. Another options are settings. Under settings, you have all these awesome settings, like you want default transition duration always be at 2. I'm gonna actually leave it to be always at 1. It's gonna save me time instead of at least half a second. Default title 4 seconds. Default effect, as you can see, all the awesome, brilliant settings there. So let's say you've done a video, you're happy, you can click this, and it goes in the full screen mode of the video preview. You press play, you have a look for a video, you are happy, so pause, back, and now I'm ready to export. So what I need to do when I'm ready all this, I click back again, and this is my video. Evernote is 17 minutes and 11 seconds. I click on this, and it gives me options. Go straight into edit, produce the video, which I'm going to show you in a second, save as, you can save as another project, etc. Delete the project, and there is a button here. When you press, it's going to play that video which you're creating, and if you're happy, you can then produce the video, which I'm going to do now. Click produce. It gives you options: save to gallery SD card, share to Facebook, share to YouTube, more. This is just gives you a list of apps where you can save it and export project to a Cyberlink cloud, which I never done before. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's chargeable. I don't really use that. Share to YouTube is basically videos created on your phone, and then automatically YouTube app opens with options for you to enter title, tags, make it public, unlisted, or private, and etc. I like to just press save, choose a full HD because video is not recorded in the 4K. And it's just I'm using a screen recorder it's on the full HD. Settings obviously gives me options. Where do I want to save it? External SD card, which is on my S8 Plus. Bitrate standard, 30 frames per second. That's plenty for tutorials. I don't need super awesome video quality. And click produce. And now it's preparing, and it's going to start creating a video, which is going to be something underscore full HD, something, here we are, Evernote underscore full HD.mp4. And I'm going to leave this running. If you're doing this while you're on your phone, I don't suggest you to shut this app. But if you're on a DeX station, sometimes I just leave this app in the background and just go do something else. Let's say I go to a browser. That's from a previous video about the Evernote. So go here, do whatever I need, go back, see, okay, it's 2%, it's 3%. Just go back here and just tend not to use some other heavy usage apps that needs a lot of phone power while you're doing exporting video, because export video will be corrupted and will give you errors at the end. So while you're waiting for your video to be exported for about 20 minutes, and then at minute 19, this app will give you an error. So you just spend 19 minutes for nothing. So I like to record the videos, all of them, and then just edit all of them one by one, and then export them all one by one. Just leave this phone running. Just don't touch it. Well, it's up to you. I like to risk it. Sometimes I just, while this is happening, I just go and just have a look. Samsung DeX, read a bit more news of what's happening, what other videos I probably need to create for you guys, what is right now popular, what is trending, Samsung DeX best apps. Let's have a look. What are people talking about? 10 tips. Okay, Samsung DeX review, 7 productive today. Okay, having a look. Someone's video here. That's fine. So, and come back. Let's see. Okay, it's 10% now. So I'm just gonna, what I'll do, I'm gonna leave this running and I'll come back when it's all done. So what I'm gonna do now, as I showed you in the video when I was editing this, I'm just gonna cover with my hand this camera, and I know that's from there to another cover, I need to cut it. So don't go anywhere. So as you can see, 98% is done. So have another 2% to wait. At the moment, the exporting took 40. So hold on, 10, 14, 17. Yeah, about the same amount of minutes, the same amount that the video is lasting. So about 17, 18 minutes took all this to export. So let's wait until it's done. So as you can see, full HD to MP4 is 99% at the moment completed. So that's it, that's completed. And what I did is I set up this editing program to export to SD card, and I can't remember where I actually did it. This is notifications, shopping basket, which is obviously, as you can see, purchase, because I paid only 10 pence. Produced the videos, that's the videos I produced, that's fine. Well, I somehow I done it to export to SD card. I can't remember where. Oh, right, I know where. So if I do edit, options, settings, is it somewhere here? Nope. Okay, then it's gonna be produce this, yes, full HD settings, and then that's where you can choose where do you want a video to be exported. Do you want this to be exported to internal or external storage? I chose external storage. Is 128 gigabytes SD cards, so it's plenty of room for all my videos. So all done. go back again. So this video is exported. So I minimize this or close it. Go to my file browser. Go to SD card. Then I believe it's under Android data, and I'm looking for com.cyberlink.powerdirector.whatever. Click in there, files, and that's all the videos I exported previously, plus my video as well. So this is Evernote Full HD. I just click and hold, a small tick appears in there. I do share. So it's doing right now share. I choose YouTube. So I want to share to YouTube. Wait for a second until YouTube picks up the video, gives me a timeline. So I'm going to write here, use Evernote on Samsung S8, S8 Plus, Note 8, DeX station, because it's compatible with all these three phones. Description, I leave it on private because I'm going to do more editing while I'm in the YouTube page. But I change the title for something, well, not that more precise, but I tend to leave something that when I come back later to a YouTube page under my private videos, I know exactly what video is for what. Instead of me going and playing a video, I can see straight away, all right, this video is for this. So I know exactly what to edit. So choose the channel, Mr. P, private description, okay, upload. And it's right now uploading a video, which is for some reason always says 2 GB. In the notification, it's always telling me it's 2 GB. Doesn't matter what video I upload, what size it is. Actually, let's double check what size it is. So this size is 1.5 GB. Like this one is 784 megabytes. Every video that I upload is always says notification, uploading up to 2 GB. Anyway, I'll leave this running, and that's how you get videos from me. I'll record using DU recorder. That's how I tried multiple of them. I tried Mobizen. I tried nearly all of them which have ratings from 4 and higher than 4. And this one is the best one. It's decent window for my mugshot and easy to control. So I click on this icon and I can pause, stop, and do some settings. It's brilliant. So that's how you get videos from me. That's how I record using DU screen recorder, edit them on a PowerDirector, Cyberlink PowerDirector, and upload them to YouTube using YouTube Android app. If you want to see a video about KineMaster, which is brilliant, another brilliant app to edit videos on Android devices, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll do the video on a KineMaster, and I will explain to you why I don't use that and why you should use it. It's more powerful than Cyberlink PowerDirector, but for my purpose, Cyberlink PowerDirector is plenty of features in there for me to use. But KineMaster, I would like to use KineMaster, but there is some issues there that I don't like, especially the way the app works with the DeX station. But like I said, if you want to know more, leave in a comment section below and I'll do a video for you guys. So far it's done. So I click on this DU recorder. I'm about to press stop. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video of Can You DeX. Bye-bye.